Kumusta naman ang weather down south? Nako, makakausap po natin ang ating One News Cebu Desk Editor, Dale Israel. Dale, okay, kahapon maraming mga areas ang nasa storm signal. Kamusta ang mga, mga signals yan? Meron ba? O, nag-improve na ba if ever?
Well, the Lord Denise, maayong hapon. The weather here has continued to be rainy and a few gusts of winds. But before that, I'll just give you a little bit of good news because the Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Board has approved a 33 peso wage increase for Class A cities or those covered in Metro Cebu area. This means that from 469 pesos, the minimum wage here would now be 501 pesos. In Class B cities, the minimum wage would be 463 pesos, particularly in Tagbilaran, Dumaguete, Toledo, Bayawan, Canlaon, among other cities in the Central Visayas region. For the towns in the region, the minimum wage will now be 453 pesos. Now, going back to the weather, it is raining all morning here in Cebu and until now here in Cebu City. And oftentimes we feel gusts of winds are also observed from where we are now. Strong winds are almost felt near the shores and at the ports around Cebu. Waves are also huge as gale warning are still up around Central Visayas region. Yesterday, shortly after 1 in the afternoon, 5 were rescued from a capsized or half-submerged motor bangka off the coast of Mactan Island. Despite the ban on small sea crafts, the NBCA Sea Breeze continued to sail from Kaubian Island, that is a small remote island within the territory of Lapu-Lapu City. They were en route to Suba-Basbas in the mainland Mactan Island in Cebu City. According to the Coast Guard Central Visayas, huge waves hammered the NBCA Sea Breeze and water started to get inside the vessel. The engine started to crank out also, and that led to more waters going inside the vessel and left it half submerged while waves continued to hammer them. The Coast Guard is currently investigating the incident because they were not supposed to travel at this kind of weather. Meanwhile, classes in Cebu City and Lapu-Lapu City are back, but classes in the towns of Sibonga, Moalboal, City of Naga, Cebu, and Santa Fe and Bantayan Island are suspended due to continued effects of the intensified habagat or the southwest monsoon winds. Classes are also suspended in Tagbilaran City in Bohol due to heavy rains, that is according to Mayor Jane Yap. In southern Cebu, island hopping, snorkeling, and diving in Moalboal are still suspended. The canyoneering or the river trekking adventure in Alegria are also canceled as the waters are murky and dangerous at this time. In Siquijor, a passenger ship was also half submerged while docked at the port of Lazi town. The photos showed how waves hammered the ship as it tilts sidewards while the water gets into the vessel. There are no reports of casualty from the incident in Lassi. Right now in Cebu City, it's raining and still feeling gusts of winds here, and we will continue to bring you the latest developments on the effects of these weather conditions. Just keep on tuning in here at One News. Back to you guys at the studio.
Alright, maraming salamat sa iyo, Dale Israel, siya ring editor ng The Freeman.